Hold
it.
Hold it. Here.
I have it, Monica.
She has it.
I know. I want two. I want it too.
Well,
ready?
get out of my way.
Ready?
Oh no! Oh, I see it coming.
Are you ready for this?
It's gonna pull my skin off.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Does that hurt?
Ah, look at it. Look, hair.
Hey, I have a blood spot. How'd that not hurt?
Oh my
It
god.
didn't hurt?
Did
it? Hurt you more then? Here. I know how to make it hurt.
Don't make it.
Adam just told me, he's like, can you get Dad to bring my knife? I'm like, oh yes.
Because I'm your brother. Okay, right? Oh, it's doing it to Matt's skin too.
I don't want to have little burns.
It goes away. Look, mine's gone already. Okay, I'm going with the patch where there's a lot of hair.
No. No. Oh, Indiana. No, Indiana. Don't. I'm gonna have one little ball down my little leg, no? Don't do it there, it will hurt there. Ow!
Okay, ready? Ready, Matt?
No.
Got the video started?
Yep.
Oh,
Okay, ready?
I'm not doing your video for that. Where's the
Okay.
cereal?
Where does cereal go? I need I'm funny.
Okay. Alright.
Ooh, that one hit a little
Yeah,
bit.
because I didn't go as fast. Ew,
That one.
that's so gross.
Ow.
Okay, we're good.
This is
Great.
good. Ow, I'm falling.
Oh, that was chunky.
Bald spot.
Oh my god, look at that.